thoughts come to me and fade away. Custom dreams I've always had, I'll take it apart.
What's going on? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1997 Camaro. This one here has got the 5.7 under the hood, cold AC, good tires, clean car, clean interior. Check out the walk around video. Points out any kind of flaws that we can find on this car. That way you know exactly what you're coming to buy. In this video, we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna take it down the road. MapleMotors.com offers 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information. So definitely go there and look at that as well. If you're new to the page, hit that subscribe button. Videos are posted almost every single day. And if you like the intro music, there's another channel to go with this one. It's called Southgate Production. I write all those songs and I throw them in these videos. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Door panel and the interior looks pretty good. There is a crack on the dash up here. Let's go ahead and start this up. I don't want to listen to all that dinging, so I'm gonna shut the door. And the cold air is already blowing in here. Nice and cool. Power windows. There's some big old windows. I had to replace motors back in the ones that I had back in the day. Always liked this car, this style. Go ahead, place your bets. Do you think the horn works? I don't know, actually. I haven't tried it. But yeah, these old thin dashes here cracking. Almost every one of them did it. Seen covers they made for it. You can replace it as well, but you can get the face of the radio from the office. The radio would work. It does work. It's showing 111,000 miles on the dash, which is not bad for this year at all. All of your gauges and everything work on the dash. So a decent sounding exhaust. Your windshield wipers work. I'm gonna go ahead and say the horn does work. What do y'all think? Yeah, it works. Power locks, they're working as well. Good deal. There's not a elbow dent in this like there normally would be. Interior looks pretty good. The T-tops are in great shape. I haven't noticed them leaking or anything. Let's take off. Let's hit the road. Let's see here. Go ahead and get my seatbelt put on. I noticed the little casing around the seatbelt is missing on this one. So I'm probably gonna need that. Doesn't really hurt anything. Anything that I see, I will let you know about. That way you don't get any surprises when you get here to buy this car. Like the shipper truck's here to pick up the Corvette. We had a black Corvette, I think it was an 81, which went out. All right, we're waiting on traffic here. Turn signals are popping up on the dash. Pretty sure everything works as it should on this car. It is pretty low mileage. Even the ashtray pops up. They don't put those in new cars, do they? Little cup holder over here to the side. Yeah, I'm trying to squeeze this video in right here at the end of the day. It's 3:30, but it's like 5 o'clock traffic here. All right. LT1's got good power under the hood. They didn't come out with the LS till 98 for this body style of Camaro. Speedometer's coming up correct. Kick down's hooked up on this one. Steering straight, nice and tight, no issues. Brakes feel good. I don't think the fog lights work. The light didn't cut on. Just trying to check everything here. Mirrors are working, power mirrors on both sides. Set them up correct. Lights are working. Got tilt column. Still got a good bit of gas, so we don't need to go to the gas station. But the city's tore the road all up through there over the weekend, so I'm not going to go through it with these cars. I'll just cut through this parking lot here. Alright, I'm going to pull up in this parking lot here. I'm going to do some drive-by shots, get you some outside footage, let you know what it's like seeing it drive by. Another perspective, at least. You can see all of my gear and everything I use below in the description. I use GoPro 7s, and I've got Amazon links to everything that I bought. So go ahead, check that out. Let's get these shots. Sweet. Had some new ideas. Hopefully y'all like that. I'm gonna try to put that together. Make something out of those outside shots there. Now that it's cooling off outside, I feel like I'm getting a little more creative, so make these videos a little better for y'all. We're gonna head on back to the lot now. Cruising down the road. Be pretty nice to live back off in the country with the lot. That way we don't have to worry about traffic. We can hit some back roads, have some good open stretches. Just thinking about that the other day. It's like, man, I got a lot of buddies that live out in the country. So. This car runs and drives awesome. We're getting ready to hit this road over here. It's got a speed bump in the middle of it. Nothing major, but it'll give you an idea on suspension. And the suspension in this is nice, so shouldn't have nothing to worry about there. Speed bumps are right here. spot's right over here. We're just gonna cut on through. Why not? This car runs awesome. I don't see this lasting this week at all. I think it's gonna sell pretty quick the way it runs and drives. All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that test drive. Definitely check out my website, maplemotors.com, and you can get close to 100 detailed pictures of this car as well. Thank y'all for riding along with me. Hit that subscribe button. I do post videos every single day. I got another channel on here for music. Please go follow it if you like it. It's Southgate Production up in the top right-hand corner. You can see the walk-around video down in the bottom right-hand corner. And man, I got tipped off the other day. We got this fire hydrant coming over here. He's about to come over here and set these cars back down. They're all on fire up here. All right, guys, I'm just messing around. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.